It's been 5 years since we first drew our rainbow on this channel. Maddie has grown up so much and our drawings are about to get even better.
Today we're going to be giving our rainbows a kawaii makeover. Grab your markers and let's get started. First we're going to draw the clouds, and there's two of them. So we're going to draw one here and one here. We'll start over here, and we're just going to draw a bunch of bumps that kind of are in an oval shape.
Today we're going to be drawing a rainbow. So the first step is you can do whatever size of rainbow that you want.
And then we're going to do that on the other side.
So let's do the clouds now. So I'm just going to make, you can do however you want for your clouds. I'm going to go like this. Yeah.
Now we're going to draw the big arc of the rainbow. And to do this, it's a lot easier for me and Dad to turn our papers. And it's basically going to be a big swoop from connecting each cloud.
Maddie, this is kind of like a C shape, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Is it okay if our rainbows don't look the same?
Of course it is.
Because at Craft Kids TV, we don't go for perfection, we go for
fun.
Our next step is we're going to be drawing more C's, and they're going to keep getting smaller because we're drawing the stripes of the rainbow. And for us, we're going to have 7 colors on our rainbow, but you can draw as many spots or as many stripes for as many colors that you want to do. Next, we're going to make some kawaii faces by adding some big eyes.
Remember, lower than halfway down.
Yeah.
Pretending this is a forehead, we want to make them below the halfway point, right?
Mm-hmm.
I think I might make one closed eye.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Half circle?
Yeah.
I'm going to have one open, one closed.
Okay.
You can do these however you guys want.
Next, I'm going to do a really small mouth over here and another really small mouth over here. We're also going to add blush on each face.
Little rosy cheeks.
To finish off our large eyes, we're going to add 2 little reflection spots. And to do that, we're just going to do a big circle in each corner of the eye, and then a smaller circle of white, and then we're going to color in all around it, and it's going to be big. It's going to make them look like big, shiny eyes. Now we're going to color.
Here, Maddie is showing a shading technique where she imagines the light is coming in from the left-hand side, and she imagines where it would be hard for the light to get to. She's using a light gray to shade the bottom portions of the clouds and thinking exactly of where that light would not be reaching very easily.
So our last and final step to this drawing is we're going to take a skinny white Posca paint marker, and we're going to do little shimmery specks around our rainbow in a few different spots. For drawing these shimmery, sparkly type things, it's easiest to start with drawing a T, and then at the highest point, you're going to connect it to one of the sides, and you do that for both sides, or all sides really. Just like this with a swoop, and then you color it in.
Once those dry, we'll add just a little bit of gray shading and on the parts that should be a little darker, and it's gonna look awesome.
Yeah, and then we're gonna do that here, and we're gonna do 2 little ones here, a few here, and a few here. Just to make the glittery shimmeriness pop, we're gonna go trace around each one with a gray color.
Well, Maddie, as we finish these up, they look really, really good. I'm really happy with how these look. I like the ones we did 4 years ago, but I really like these ones too.
Yeah, I agree. There's some things I like about the ones we did 4 years ago and the ones that we're doing today.
I really like these clouds. Do you like the clouds that we did?
I do. I think they're very cute with their kawaii faces, and the sparkles really pop out, and I think it adds to the kawaii-ness.
Oh, it sure does. I really like these.
Yeah, me too.
I'm really loving the brilliant orange in this drawing. It reminds me of our Kawaii kitten drawing. So check that one out right here.
And check out this playlist right here.